Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2005 Nissan T30 X-Trail ST, stock reference number 4361. This shape runs from the 10th month 2001 through to the 9th month 2007. It has a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand front. It has a radiator grille, nudge bar with 2 factory spotlights, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims, left front is a good tyre, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has 1 small dent, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, it's got an average rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent, as does the right front door. Right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, and also the right hand power door mirror does have some peeling going on there. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a dark grey cloth centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, instrument cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and an average 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.